Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra cases you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Welcome to our in-depth look at the top Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra cases. As happy owners of this cutting-edge tablet, we recognize the need of protecting it from everyday wear and tear. A high-quality case is an essential accessory for anyone interested in productivity or entertainment. We've thoroughly researched and produced a hand-picked selection of the best Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra cases on the market in this video. We have you covered with everything from tough armor for maximum protection to sleek designs that lend a touch of grace. With our expert advice, you may find the right case to match your style and protect your cherished tablet. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 7. CoBak case for Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra case. CoBak has created the appropriate case for the newest Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra tablet, 14.6 inches. This case has a precise cutout and form, so it will suit your smartphone perfectly. The integrated smart cover provides seamless auto-wake/sleep functions, and the magnetic closing provides 360-degree protection. This case is made of superior waterproof PU leather on the outside, an anti-slip material on the inside, and a 100% TPU case. CoBak provides both style and protection with its sleek form and secure 5-angle magnetic stand. In addition, CoBak offers a 12-month money-back guarantee, indicating their dedication to customer satisfaction on all orders. On number 6. SUPFIVES Case. With a 3-in-1 triple-layer construction, this tough case is specifically designed for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. The inner cover has 4 multi-purpose cushions that provide heat absorption, anti-scratch, and drop buffering. The materials used are health-friendly and RoHS certified, assuring that they are devoid of hazardous chemicals and strong odors. Notably, this case lacks a built-in screen protector. Furthermore, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra case features a 360-degree spinning multi-angle bracket with a robust kickstand, allowing users to find the ideal viewing position for various tasks such as watching videos, typing, and drawing. It has an adjustable hand strap for a firm grip and a removable shoulder strap for easy carrying. The case has an S Pen slot with magnetic attraction for simple storage and access to the pen without misplacing it. This superb case's high-end design not only gives a touch of luxury to the Tab S8 Ultra but also improves the entire user experience. On number 5. Poetic TurtleSkin case. Before ordering the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 14.6 Ultra case. The case is constructed of child-safe, non-toxic silicone and has a tactile side grip as well as a unique rear turtle shell design with elevated supports for increased grip and drop protection. It has ultra-thick silicone with a protective covering for splash-proof protection and a perforated shock-absorbing design to protect against extreme shocks and impacts. Furthermore, the interior of the shell has elevated air vents to minimize overheating and keep the gadget cool while in use. This case is ideal for the Samsung Galaxy S8 Ultra tablet and provides excellent protection and performance. On number 4. INFILAND Galaxy. Introducing a sleek and functional case designed exclusively for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. This elegant yet unassuming case provides optimal protection for your tablet, ensuring safety during all of your trips. You can effortlessly conserve battery life with its easy wake-up and sleep feature, which can be enabled simply by opening or shutting the front flap. The case is built with a closure mechanism to securely keep the front flap closed, offering an extra layer of protection. Furthermore, the case has several stand configurations, allowing you to select the most comfortable posture for reading or browsing, boosting your whole tablet experience. On number 3. Spigen Thin Fit Pro. Introducing our very durable and multifunctional case, designed to provide optimal device protection. The side walls are protected by the robust PC material, while the PU interior provides great shock absorption. The case features a multifunctional kickstand with active stop technology, as well as a smooth and secure grip PU leather cover. The raised edges protect your screen and camera. A silicone band secures the keyboard not included, for ease of travel. Furthermore, our premium case's smooth compatibility with Spigen brand screen protectors boosts the total protection provided. You can rely on our product to keep your smartphone secure and fashionable. On number 2. Araree FLEXIELD SP. Ergonomic design introduces the multi-angle kickstand, a versatile and protective accessory. This clever kickstand includes a built-in S Pen holder as well as a full protective cover to keep your smartphone safe. Its thin design is achieved via the use of a combination of flexible TPU case body and polycarbonate material. Hands-free viewing is made possible by the strong stand mode. Furthermore, the case contains anti-shock technology, which ensures consistent quality and increased protection for your important smartphone. Take use of this elegant and effective kickstand to enjoy an excellent viewing experience while protecting your device from damage. On number 1. JETech Case. The 14.6-inch Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra is supported with a small yet shockproof cover composed of quality PU leather exterior and flexible TPU, delivering better drop protection without adding bulk. The case has a S Pen holder for safe storage and fast access to the pen, as well as magnetic wireless charging on the case's back, S Pen not included. The device can be propped up at various viewing angles thanks to anti-slip grooves on the front cover, and bigger cutouts allow easy use of the camera, speaker, buttons, and other capabilities. The case also has an auto-wake/sleep mechanism that is activated by a powerful built-in magnet, allowing for easy opening and secure closure, similar to a book flip. Check the compatibility with the model number of your tablet before purchase. So guys, this was the video about the best Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.